How to turn off Do Not Disturb on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can turn off the Do Not Disturb on Android. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. If you want to turn off the Do Not Disturb on Android, it is super easy. You just need to head over to the main settings of the device. Once you're here, scroll down and go to the notifications. And once you open up your notification settings, when you scroll up it, you'll be finding an option called Do Not Disturb. So, if you have to turn this option called Do Not Disturb, which means you won't be getting any calls, messages, and conversation notification. So if you want to turn it off and get everything back, you can just go ahead and turn off this option, the toggle option, and your phone will get back into its normal notifications. So that is it. You can turn off your Do Not Disturb on Android very easily. Otherwise, we also have it on the notification bar. You can go ahead and locate up that option right here. You can just go ahead and turn it off from there as well. So therefore, that is it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.